Keeping your window AC unit clean will not only prevent mold and mildew, but also increase the long-term value of your appliance and use less energy. This is how to do it all, and today we're going to walk you through how to keep your AC unit clean, functional, and energy efficient. Let's talk about what materials you'll need. Before you start, make sure you have warm water, mild soap or detergent, a reusable cloth, a drip tray to place beneath your unit, a spray bottle filled with 3% hydrogen peroxide, a Fen comb or soft bristle brush, a can of compressed air, and a screwdriver. Cleaning the filter inside your AC unit is the single most important thing that you can do to keep your appliance running smoothly. Even if you don't clean the whole unit, it's a good idea to make a habit to clean the filter monthly. First, make sure the unit is unplugged, then remove the filter. If it's covered in dust or hair, you can use a vacuum first. Then simply hand wash the filter with warm water and mild soap. Set it out to air dry and make sure the filter is completely dry before putting it back in your AC unit. Keep in mind you'll want to replace the filter regularly to keep your AC running smoothly. The frequency will depend on how often you use your AC unit and environmental factors, but a good routine to follow is every 6 weeks to 6 months. While you're waiting on your filter to air dry, you can do the next step, cleaning the grill/exterior. This grill is attached to the front plate, so I used a screwdriver to remove it. With warm soapy water, wipe down the grill and make sure you clean the gaps where air comes out thoroughly, but be careful of any wires. Then wipe down the exterior of the unit, focusing on small crevices where it's easy for dirt or dust to build up. And you can even place the drip tray underneath your unit just in case it gets a little messy. Now to finish cleaning your appliance, it's time to get inside of your AC unit. And you don't have to do this part every single time you clean it, but it is recommended to do at least quarterly or semi-annually. First, take a Fen comb or soft bristle brush and gently comb the aluminum foils inside your AC unit. Take your time with this process because the Fens are sharp and can bend easily. If you do notice any bent Fens, carefully move them back into place. Then spray the can of condensed air inside your unit to dust off the coils. This part should be done carefully and thoroughly, making sure you get all the debris out of your unit that could be preventing it from working efficiently. Alright, now that you have cleaned your AC unit and everything has dried off completely, it's time to put everything back together and give it one last spritz to prevent mildew. Use the hydrogen peroxide spray bottle and apply it to areas that air travels in and out. Wait for the solution to dry before using your unit again, and that's it. Now not only will you be breathing in cleaner, colder air, but you'll also extend the life of your AC unit. There are a couple other things you can do to extend the life of your window AC. In addition to regularly cleaning the appliance, you can also remove it from the window and store it inside during the winter months or just when you won't be using it for an extended period of time. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to How to Do It All.